woodworking industry, special productions require special machines with tailor-made solutions. From reliable partners who know how to listen, understand, and interpret. That machine can be the P.MAX molder. That partner can be Futura. In its standard version, the variety of configurations and accessories already makes P.MAX capable of satisfying the needs of many productions. With a machine that is solid, fast, and simple to use. In short, efficient and reliable. But we can go even further. Towards special tailor-made productions, just like in this case. The third working unit has been equipped with a brushless motor to allow the axis to interpolate during processing. The molder's axis is therefore mobile in relation to the feed rate, just like the axis of a CNC machine. P.MAX can therefore perform the same operations as a machining center, but in much shorter times. With excellent performance on any type of shaping, precise down to the smallest detail. Because it is on the details of the expected result that, by designing the process together, we make the difference. In total control, thanks to a fully customizable software. Behind every quality solution, first and foremost, lies quality in the process that conceived it. We measure this by how much attention we are able to dedicate to it, in order to push past the limits of performance and efficiency. We imagine solutions to create together your future.